are people right in front of me watching as I am recording, so I wanted to wait until they left, and they are leaving. Thank you, Jesus. All right. Thank you, Jesus, for the fan. All right. Between the heat and the interruptions and the people staring. Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Daisy. For those who don't know me and those who are returning, thank you so much for your support. So this is my second recording of this one right here. It seems like I get interrupted and I keep running back and forth trying to help my husband here. So this is my second day here in Ocala with my husband. He is racing a 2-day race, and this is my second day. If you haven't watched the video that I recorded before this one, I'll put it right here so you can go ahead and watch. So I wanted to come here quickly and show you what bag am I wearing this weekend and what I have in my bag. So the bag I'm talking about today is this lovely, this lovely Vanity PM in the monogram. And this bag is a beautiful, beautiful bag. Gorgeous. And not only beautiful, but the practicality of this bag, OMG. So what I'm carrying in this beautiful Vanity PM, I want to show you that I attached here the coin purse of my multi-pochette, and in here what I'm carrying with me is my AirPods. I don't know if you know, but I love to have my AirPods here because that way I don't lose them wherever I go. So they are in here, and also I have attached this beautiful daisy little accessory, but it's also serves a purpose of holding my sunnies in there. So this is so cute. And of course I had to put some more accessories as my daisy flowers, but as you know, I am an accessory girl and I love to accessorize my bags. But with that being said, this bag is so practical, so beautiful to look at, and so much fits in it. And the strap, I use it on my shoulder. I use this top handle all weekend, and I cannot crossbody it. Well, I can, but I don't like the way it looks because I am more on the rounded side. It tends to rise up on right under my boobs, and I don't like that. So when I get home, I'm gonna put some straps that I have, 2 straps that are gold in color, and I'm gonna put them at the end so that way I can crossbody her and she can be more down. But I'll show you mod shots right here of that. So let's get right into what's in my bag this weekend. So as you can see, she is full, not all the way, but she is pretty full. So I have my 4-key ring holder that you guys know about. I have my wallet, which is my key pouch. I also have hand sanitizer, and I also have my glasses. In here I also have a mini pochette, which is in the Damier Azure, and she's full of makeup and lipsticks in here. Okay, and also at the moment I have this liquid IV that I've been carrying around so that I can put it in my water, and some receipts in there at the bottom. But that's all I'm carrying in her today. But let me show you a few more items that I can carry, like this alternative to the mini pochette. As you all know, this is a little bigger than the mini pochette, and it fits perfect and she'll close no problem whatsoever. I can also fit in here this one right here, which is the O case, and as well as a regular phone, the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I can fit that in there no problem whatsoever, and she still closes and have space to spare. I can also take my keys at this here, even though it's lifted on the top. We have an inch to play there or not, right? I can also throw in my glasses on the top and she'll close very comfortably, no problem whatsoever. You see how beautiful. I love this bag. And let me show you one more other thing that I can fit in here, only because if you guys ever want to take a full size perfume, I'm going to leave my phone in here, and this right here is the Brazilian Crush 62 body mist, which is a full size body perfume. Let's say I can throw that in there and it fits perfect, as you can see. Yes, you can fit a full size perfume. And like I said, the most important things that I can fit in here with all of my essentials, let me show you. This is the way I am literally carrying it this weekend. Let me just show you this right here. And then I can fit my phone in here. Perfect fit for all my essentials. And my glasses up on top, as you can see. So yes, this is the beautiful Vanity PM in the new version 2024. So I'm going to stop my video right here. I'm going to ask you that if you found this video fun, entertaining, give me a thumbs up, click that notification bell, and don't leave today without subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. God bless you, God keep you, and until next time, ciao. Everywhere, and the heat is on. The heat is on. The heat is on.